Hey there. If you've ever wondered, is there a better way to care for my jeans? You're not alone. Today, we'll show you how to hand wash jeans so they last longer, look great, and feel just as amazing as the day you bought them. Stick around because I'll guide you through the process step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's talk about why you should even bother hand washing jeans. Denim is a durable fabric, but machine washing can break down the fibers, cause shrinkage, and fade those beautiful dyes over time. According to Levi Strauss & Company, washing jeans less often and using gentler methods can extend their life dramatically. So, taking a little extra time can save you money and keep your jeans looking great for years. So here's how to do it. First, find a clean sink or basin. Make sure it's free of debris or leftover soap, as residue can damage the fabric. Fill it with cold or lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water can cause shrinkage or color bleeding. Pick a mild detergent. You want something free of harsh chemicals, especially bleach, as it can strip the color from your jeans. If you can find a detergent specifically designed for delicates or dark clothing, even better. Turn your jeans inside out. This step is crucial. Turning your jeans inside out protects the outer dye and reduces friction during washing. It's a little trick recommended by many denim experts, like those at Denim Hunters, a resource dedicated to keeping your jeans in top shape. Soak and wash. Gently submerge your jeans in the water. If they're particularly dirty, let them soak for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then, gently agitate the jeans in the water using your hands. Avoid scrubbing aggressively, denim fibers don't like that. For any spots or stains, use a soft bristle brush or a cloth. Apply a small amount of detergent to the area and rub gently in a circular motion. Once you're done washing, drain the water and refill the sink with clean, cold water. Rinse the jeans thoroughly to remove all detergent. Leftover soap can make your jeans stiff or leave white marks when they dry. Remove excess water. Here's a trick to avoid damaging your jeans: never wring them out. Instead, lay them flat on a clean towel. Roll the towel up with the jeans inside, pressing gently as you go. This removes excess water without stretching the fabric. Drying the right way. Air drying is the best method for jeans. Lay them flat on a clean, dry towel or hang them by the waistband. Avoid direct sunlight, as UV rays can fade the fabric. If you're in a hurry, use an indoor drying rack away from heat sources like radiators. And there you have it, your jeans are clean, fresh, and ready to wear without any of the damage that comes from machine washing. Remember, hand washing your jeans is a small investment of time that can save you a ton in the long run. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical tips, and share it with someone who loves their jeans as much as you do. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.